by members of the mayoral committee, as well as bringing in the administration, the director for infrastructure, the MM, and all the executive directors. The purpose of the meeting, as indicated, is an emergency meeting. We will just reflect briefly on 4 key issues. One is the water outages. 2 is sanitation, the continuous spilling of sewer, the filth, and the removal, refuse removal, and also the debt collection. Not the debt collection, it's the billing system. It's the billing system. Yeah, the correct term is billing system. We have been inundated with complaints that the current billing system is a challenge by residents, and we put respond to it. Secondly, the continuation of the water outages, sanitation, and removal. Now, as we have indicated, this is a refreshed, purpose-driven mayoral committee focused on the key tasks. So we have decided to call this emergency meeting to respond comprehensively to all those challenges. This is in the context of our approach to be responsive and to be proactive in relation to the challenges confronting us. So from our side, we want to start by saying that the administration must then account now properly. And then we take it from there. Now we are in a closed session. That was the opening session. Now this is a closed session.